when she said the only I was the job was to do advertising features, and I don't know what an advertising feature is. I picked up a paper and I saw the advertising feature that week, and it was for the new car dealership on Rangatiki and Tremaine. And so when she said that, I knew I had to take the job. And by the way, when the job came, they said it would be freelance, so I could refuse any job I wanted to do. And I was able to actually, they wanted me, I did a whole um, 18, 18 page advertising feature on leisure in that place, in that town. And I thought, like, the most leisurely thing people do is go to church. There's more people in church than in any sporting event. So I interviewed a bunch of churches in town and told their stories as part of what people do as leisure in the town. And